the song they're talking about is Isbabazo, right? Isbabazo. Yeah. Yo, man. Shout out to The Joy for coming through. Shout out to the guys at The Joys, Abu Kutuza and all of them. So, how that collaboration happened, I think it was the first song that I did with you guys.
Yeah, I think
that's when I met Jazzworks from Total 10. Right? And then I came back only to find out that they worked near Joy. I wasn't there for that day, but shout out to them so much. And yeah, man, we love that song.
Yeah, experience it was.
Was it nice? Yeah, they're cool. Also, we are doing international gigs. They're international also, you know, and we've been selling out shows in Kenya. I think what's next? Uganda.
Rwanda.
Oh, the UK.
Yeah, the UK.
Doing a UK tour.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, things have been going great.
Yabona uthanda into eziningi uthanda olunezinto ezibhayo so abanye bayafika abanye bayahamba so abasekho means
like they're no longer there.
Yeah, they're no longer there yangizona because uyangijutha siyangithanda mara obviously background fethu abaningi abasekho yeah for sure.
Nawe manje abekho abanye for wena manje like sebahambile abasekho vele.
bengekho mnandi. It was the longest journey. So i-support esithole ebantwini yo ibhaya too much. So siyabonga mfethu ukuthi angibeke izandla phezulu.
Yeah, and also after the things that we've been through, probably you guys know about them, but it was one of the songs that we recorded after a lot of things happened, right? And at that moment we were grateful for Rupila, we were grateful for being alive, we were grateful for our supporters with and the love that they showed us. So when we say ukuthi angiphakamisa izandla phezulu ngibonga inyanya zami ke ngaphezulu ngiyombonga ngani le ndoda eyakhulisa umfana, you know, we're just grateful and it just shows who we are. About what's us like that's nakala. We feel like crying when we think about where we come from as compared to where we are, man. can they expect, my brother? Visuals. Visuals.
Yeah, I
Ama-video.
visuals. Yeah, I lalela. Mina shoot ama video buyer over.
Yeah, you guys should expect more videos and also more music.
Yeah.
More videos, more music, and more live performances.
Afuna ukhipha na kulo nyaka.
I'm gonna keep it.
Yeah.
So what? Yeah, singenzeka noma yini, you know. But stay tuned to our social media platforms.
Yeah, Tukutela Season, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Tukutela Season.
GL_CJ, and also there's Jazz World. Shout out to Jazz World. Jazz.
Senzo decider.
Some of the choice of the people, right? But just know, people, we love you. That's all that matters.
We love you.
We love you. Shout out to Yano Lyrics.
Shout out to Yana Lyrics.
And shout out to Prop Stars for having us.
Yeah.